you lovely fabulous merfolk, and I am here with another video for you. I am standing right now because I currently have no real place to sit because I'm in the process of moving, so everything's kind of crazy and some of the stuff is already moved and out of here. I really don't have like a chair or anything like that, so this entire video you'll see me awkwardly standing here and trying to fidget with my hair, do this lovely messy double bun tutorial for you. I really love this look. It's just so cute and playful and it keeps your hair out of your face. So if you want your hair up, it's kind of hot right now, and by kind of I mean like really hot. It's like 90 degrees, it's humid, so just keeping most of your hair like off of your neck and shoulders is like a huge relief. So this is like a really cute look to actually do that with, instead of just putting it in a plain ponytail. Which, there's nothing wrong with ponytails, but you know, sometimes you want to be a little playful. I'm glad I got to make a tutorial for you guys. Again, in the process of moving, so it's kind of hard to make videos, but I've got a few things in mind anyway. So here is the tutorial. So I'm just starting off by taking a small strand on both sides of my head and leaving those out front. And then the rest I'm just putting in the back. And then I'm going to take that and divide it in two, so it's 2 equal parts, like so. Then, just starting with the 1/2, I'm going to lightly comb through it. I'm not using a brush because often brushes will take out the natural wave and curl in my hair. And I would like to note that I did curl my hair a little bit before this video, so you may want to do the same to get those curls at the front of your face. So then I'm just taking and making a ponytail, or pigtail I should say, on the side of my head. And I try to get this onto the upper portion of my head so it's not like Princess Leia buns. And I'm just going to repeat that on the other side. I really like having the curls in the front of my face though, because it adds to that kind of messy, right out of bed look. And so if you were going for a Harley Quinn look, we can just stop right here. But I don't think that's what we're going for, although, not gonna lie, I think it looks kind of cute. And if you want me to do a Harley Quinn makeup tutorial, please let me know. I would love to do that for you guys. I love that character. So then, continuing on, I'm going to twist the pigtail, like so. And then using a comb, I'm just going to tease my hair with the twist still in place. And this just kind of adds to the whole messy look. And then I'm just going to take and twist it around. And I'm putting my hand kind of in the middle so it stays somewhat flat, but still is a bun. I just don't want it to be like a unicorn horn on the side of my head. You know what I mean? And then we're just going to keep it in place by putting a bunch of bobby pins in. And then to finish it off, just kind of grab on the sides and kind of just poof it out a little bit, just to make it look a little bit messier. And then we're going to repeat on the other side, so just twisting, teasing, wrapping around, and getting the bobby pins. And then pulling out just a little bit, and then I'm just going to kind of run my fingers through my hair in the front. And here's the finished look. It's super easy, super quick, and looks super cute. So I urge you guys to try this at home for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for checking out my channel. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Comment below with any suggestions or any positivity or constructive criticism. Nothing rude, por favor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you soon. Bye guys!